MJ paid! Nigga, the fuck is going on, nigga? Like, actually, let me tell you why did I actually, not just because I fuck with them because of my peoples and they my peoples, but I fuck with them because they don't lie. I like rappers that doesn't lie, that you can actually be like, damn, and you can relate to shit. And you could be like, damn, I know this nigga. I know he's not lying. You know what I mean? Let's lock into it. MJ Pay and Babyface E on bro. On bro, nigga. Pause right there. Yeah. I seen when he copped that. Yeah, quarter block that. I seen when he dropped that. That's all facts. He really, yeah. And that was cash too. That's no leasing. That's no renting. That shit.
And I was just playing. Man. You feel me?
Bitch threw the pussy quick, I don't need trust. Whole kid flooded, I ain't need nothing.
Huh?
Fuck rap, I still blood, nigga budget. I can't speak pipe with him, he don't need a touchy.
Shit.
My bitch, his bitch, and yo bitch, fuck you.
Bitch.
Bro, beating up the block, I keep him dunking. She used to broke niggas, let me buy his bitch on. He took the house, cat, he ain't strip none.
I can't kiss on you, baby, you just put your lips on. 2 Glocks long legs, I'll make him do the splits on you. You ain't doing shit with your life, bro, go risk something. I put the ice down, it sound like a brick or something. I can pull a band out of nowhere, it's like a trick or something. I was really in them stores out of town trying to hit for something.
I can pull a band out of nowhere, it's like a trick or something.
First, and then maybe
Who the fuck you think he is, Houdini?
Or something. This bitch 1,000 horses, you can hear the pistons on it.
Bitch, I'm up 100 racks, swamp. Shit, bitch, I'm up 100 racks, swamp. Getting chubby. I buy for a red and put it in the slush.
Bitch!
20 bars in the whip, this bitch a little musty. Off a dime, probably hit a bitch a little ugly.
Off the dime, I probably hit a bitch a little ugly. Fuck is you talking about? No, we gotta run that back. We gotta run that back. Off the dime, probably hit a bitch a little ugly.
For a red and put it in the slushy. 20 bars in the whip, this bitch a little musty. Off a dime, probably hit a bitch a little ugly. I ain't have to do it to him, bro, he did it for me.
Yeah!
Around his top, now he kid cutty. 2 wives for a broke nigga, get money.
I'm broke, cause ain't nobody gonna do it for you. I keep fucking this shit up, it's like I'm new to money. It's like I never had it. Line the strikers up, let's see who shit the fast. Let's start a bottle war up in the club, let's see who really had it.
Bitch!
Bitch to bad it. Ever heard 3 switches at one time, bro? That shit sound like static. These bullets hurt for real, I know you probably used to mad it. Young nigga world, man, I know you probably used to have it.
Bitches fucking off the pipe, that shit automatic.
Nigga!
Swamp rock, nigga, so I don't need pass. Pink 50s, blue honeys, what you call balance. Type of race, if it's hot, nigga, so chance.
Don't call it no hands. Yo, shit just ass, he think he need another manager. Take a shot, then pop her ass, bro, that should give me stamina. And she was bad, so I had to fuck her with the